thing before this video starts. Back in the day, we'll be back at Christmas Day. Again, back in the day, we'll be back on Christmas Day, which is 3 weeks by now. So yeah, just wanted you to keep in mind. So let's start the video. We are back with Farming Simulator, Shoes to Boots, and today I own a lawn mowing business, which one of Farmer Dave's and his wife's friends. He was Farmer Dave's dad. Yeah, he was quite old, and his knees were hurting. So yeah, but now he has to live with Farmer Dave and his family. So he sold it to me. So yeah, so I own it. And also about back in the day, it's going to be back at Christmas Day. So you could have heard the whole intro or whatever it is, reminder. So yeah, it's going to be on 2 of these episodes. One on this episode and the other on the next episode. So it can be kept in mind. So yeah, now let's go here. All right. Okay, now I'm just driving off the road. So yeah, I know about the whole thing. So I got a lawn mowing business, and it is right around here. I might mow that area. Oh, it's all mowed. All right, maybe I might mow over there. Okay. Oh, so that's the mowing business. It's around where that little wheeler trail is. So yeah, I bought this now. All right. Now let's park over here. All right. So this is a farming. I'm not a farming place. This is a little place. So yeah, this is our area. So comment to me what you like about Shoes to Boots. Do you like the farming? Do you like the role play? Whatever. So yeah. Now. Oh, we got a Kubota. Wow. And a John Deere. And what's this? A Chevy. Okay, a Chevy. Yeah, this looks new. Yeah, this looks cool. All right, looks like some people are in need. I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna do my little community service. So yeah, my little community service. All right. So, okay, now let's get the lawnmowers. Oh man, this lawnmower is so great. All right, boot. Oh man. Okay, turn around. Oh man, alright, turn. Okay, let's go. Which people are in need? Oh, looks like this guy's in need. Okay, so this guy, he's in need. Let me knock. Hey, can we, mow your house? Oh, he's gonna pay us $5. Holy mackerel. He's gonna pay us $5. Really? Really? He's gonna pay us $5. Okay. But right now, you know what? The John Deere kind of makes a mess. No, I like John Deere so much, but we're gonna get the Kubota. So we're gonna get the Kubota off. Hopefully, we can get it. Okay, so we're gonna get the Kubota. We're gonna get the Kubota, which is going to be down here. All right. All right. Oh man, it looks so. Yeah, I'm sure his lawn is gonna look clean as a whistle. What is it spitting out? Okay, it's making a mess. But sometimes you really need compost. Alright. And yeah, this guy. I mean, what is wrong with this dude? Why isn't he keeping his lawn like? Does he have a lawnmower? Okay, so it looks like we're next to the neighbors. Does this guy has a lawnmower? I don't even know. Okay. Yeah, that guy's house looks a lot like Farmer Dave's. Huh. But is this guy trying? I don't know what he's doing. Huh. But yeah, guys, make sure to click thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Watch more of my videos. Bye.